Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in uwm.loanadministration.com and make a search. The official page of United Wholesale Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Scroll down and enter your username and password associated with your United Wholesale Mortgage account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says remember my username in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. Agree to the terms and conditions of United Wholesale Mortgage account by tick marking on the box and tap on login. This is how you can log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.